We are pleased to show you the 2016 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, leather trim seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.